Welcome to today's video. If you're looking to improve your English, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to learn some simple phrases that you can use in your everyday life. These phrases will help you speak more confident in English, and I'll teach you how to use them in different situations. So, let's get started. Once upon a time, there was a young girl named Lily. She had just moved to a new country and she wanted to learn English so she could talk to her new friends. At first, she didn't know many words, but she started with the most common phrases that people use every day. She practiced these phrases, and soon she felt more confident. The first phrase Lily learned was, "Good morning." She said it to her family every day when she woke up. "Good morning, Mom." "Good morning, Dad." It was a simple way to greet them, and it made her feel happy. When Lily went to school, she said good morning to her classmates and teachers too. It became a nice way to start the day. The next phrase Lily learned was, "How are you?" She used this phrase to ask her new friends how they were feeling. When they answered, she would smile and say, "I'm fine, thank you." This is a polite way to respond when someone asks how you are. It shows respect and kindness. One day, Lily was walking through the park when she saw someone who looked lost. She went up to him and said, "Excuse me." That's how you politely get someone's attention. The man turned around and Lily asked, "Can you help me?" She needed help finding her way to the library, and the man kindly gave her directions. After helping Lily, the man said, "You're welcome." This is the way we respond when someone thanks us. Lily smiled and replied, "Thank you very much," because she was really grateful for his help. It was a small but important way to show appreciation. Later, as the sun started to set, Lily decided to go home. As she walked into her house, she said to her parents, "Have a nice day." It's a polite way to say goodbye and wish someone a good time. A few weeks later, Lily had a conversation with a new friend named Tom. She asked, "What's your name?" Tom smiled and said, "My name is Tom. What's your name?" Lily felt happy that she could now introduce herself to others. One day, Lily was feeling hungry and said to her mom, "I'm hungry." Her mom quickly made her favorite snack, and they enjoyed it together. When they finished eating, Lily thanked her mom by saying, "Thank you very much." It felt good to show gratitude. As Lily continued to learn and practice, she noticed that the more she used these simple phrases, the more comfortable she became speaking English. She realized that even though she was still learning, she could already have conversations and connect with others. Her confidence grew, and soon she was talking to everyone in English. The moral of the story is, just like Lily, you can learn English by practicing small phrases every day. It's not about being perfect. It's about using what you know to connect with others. So don't be afraid to try. Use these simple phrases in your daily life, and you will improve your English step by step. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you learned some useful phrases that you can use in your own life. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to use these phrases whenever you can. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and stories to help you improve your English. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.